2 months in, BYD owners stuck with Rs 18 Lakh repair bill over insurance dispute. Electric vehicles are slowly gaining popularity in India. Although it comes with a bunch of benefits, challenges like resale value, battery warranty, and even insurance policies have become common for electric vehicle EV owners. In a similar vein, a troubling incident involving a BYD Seal sedan owner has come to light. As per his post on X, formerly Twitter, he has been slapped with a whopping Rs 18.35 Lakh battery replacement just 2 months after purchasing the car. Aditya Soni, the owner of the electric sedan, purchased the premium BYD Seal electric sedan from the landmark BYD dealership in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. With the car, the dealership staff convinced him to opt for an in-house insurance plan. After being convinced that the insurance agent would provide maximum protection for his car, he paid Rs 1.2 Lakh for the insurance. According to Sony, he specifically inquired about battery protection. The dealership and insurance agent assured him of complete protection, including coverage for the EV's battery. Both the ICICI Lombard insurance agent and dealership staff reportedly told him that zero DEP insurance would cover everything, including the battery, and that no additional add-on was required for it. However, reality struck hard when Sony took his car to his hometown, where it got submerged during a flood. The battery pack got significantly damaged. When he contacted BYD India for the solution, to his shock, they informed him that the manufacturer's warranty does not cover water-related damage. Adding to this, ICICI Lombard denied his claim, stating that the policy doesn't have battery protection as part of the policy. 18.35 Lakh's bill being asked to pay for BYD company salesman's mistake. 2 months ago when I bought the car, he lied about the insurance policy covering 100 battery and I am stuck. ICICI Lombard and landmark insurer BYD's insurance broker in Noida in just 2 months. Aditya Soni added Yasanim September 27, 2024. Despite multiple follow-ups, neither BYD India nor ICICI Lombard has provided a clear explanation for the rejection. The customer has even shared an audio recording of a call with the insurance agent, where the agent is heard confirming that battery protection is part of the policy. Swipe left for next video. Left with no choice, the owner is now facing a staggering Rs 18.35 Lakh estimate to replace the battery of a vehicle. Coming to the BYD Seal, the EV is one of the premium electric sedans in the Indian market. Launched recently in India, it comes with a price tag of Rs 41 Lakh ex-showroom and goes up to Rs 53.15 Lakh. The top-end variant features an 82.56 kWh battery unit that offers a range of 650 km on a single charge, making it one of the longest range EVs on the market. Latest blogs.